SEO College. My name is Jesse, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Money Robot tool after 1 year of usage. This is not a simple test. I'm not endorsing the Money Robot tool. I am simply using it for my everyday ventures in my everyday projects. So we are actually going to go into the Money Robot tool, utilize it the way I usually utilize it, and we're going to create a campaign and actually put something on YouTube. So I use the Money Robot tool for various different things. I use it mostly for video marketing because I find that it's very powerful for video marketing and generating a lot of traffic to your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. So I personally use it for video ranking. I teach it as as the main strategy for utilizing this tool. However, you can use this tool for other things such as Medium blogs or LinkedIn blogs, or you can use this for your personal blog. But I personally use it for video ranking. So we're going to take a deeper look into the Money Robot tool today. We're going to actually go into the different aspects of the Money Robot tool right here. So we're going to look at that campaign usage. We're going to look at creating a campaign afterwards, and then embeds. And then we're going to go into how to get the most out of this tool. And then finally, we're going to go into how to rank a video step by step. So we're going to go into the actual fundamentals of actually ranking a video on YouTube. So with that said, let's jump into the Money Robot tool. So I'm going to jump into the Money Robot tool here. Awesome, guys. So I'm in the Money Robot tool. As you can see right here, we have a process that is currently running. I'm just going to briefly go over the different aspects of the Money Robot tool right here. Just the things that you need to know. You don't need to go into any technical stuff. Again, I'm not just testing this. I'm using it on a daily basis. So I'm actually a frequent user of this tool. So when I say that it works, I mean it actually does work, okay? So we're going to go into actually looking at this stuff right here. Now, other people teach how to, create these tasks manually. I don't personally like to do that because I like my campaigns automated. I don't want to create one by one and then put codes in it or anything like that, because you just get lost in the mumbo jumbo, right? So what you want to do, if you're like me, a normal person that just wants to do everything fast and get it over with, I usually just create a campaign and then off you go, and that's it, right? So all you need to know for this tool is a few things, okay? So you just need to know basically the campaign tab right here, the process window, which shows you the processes. Right now it's not going to show me any process because this is a fresh new campaign. Your research window, and then of course your settings. I'm not actually going to go into the settings right now in this video just because of time constraint. But basically, this is how a campaign looks. I actually have a campaign running right now. So I'm just going to click on here. As you can see, there are a few things that have been submitted already. These are just profiles and whatnot. And then basically, it just creates an artificial fake profile for each. And then each of those profiles are pointing back your link, right? So let's say I want to rank a video. I want to rank a video from my actual YouTube videos. So what I would do is I would just go into one of my videos here. So I'm just going to actually go into one of my videos, and then I'm going to create a campaign out of it. And it's very simple to use, guys. All I would do is I would just go click on one of my videos here, and then I would just find the share button right there. I copy that share button. And then basically what I would do is I would just jump back into my Money Robot tool right here. I create a new campaign. Okay, so I'm going to create a new campaign. I paste the URL right there. Just jump back into that video one more time. And then I like to name my campaigns after whatever it is. So if it's a blog, I like to actually take the blog right there, the blog name, and then create a campaign just to have everything organized. The name right there. The next thing I want to do is I want to find some keywords for it. So the main keyword was YouTube SEO. I've yet to create more videos on YouTube SEO. So what I would do is I basically grab the domain, basically the keyword there, and then I would jump into the research tool right here, click the research tool, and then I paste it. And basically I right here just wait, and then it just creates a bunch of keywords. I'll copy that to my clipboard, jump back into my campaign. So just jump back in my campaign right here. Okay, so I'm back in my campaign and I paste my keywords. Then right here you have an article spinner, so you can just literally create articles. Each of these right here that you see right here, these Web 2.0 blogs, or you can see them right here, are basically what it is basically a Web 2.0 blog. So it's an article, and when you spin this article right here, it's posted on one of these blogs right here. So can you imagine having like hundreds of blogs that are all pointing back to your links? Well, that will drive a lot of traffic over time. And that's the reason why I like the Money Robot tool so much, is because it does drive quite a lot of traffic. Even though it's not the highest quality traffic, any traffic is better than no traffic. And this actually kind of kickstarts the traffic for any YouTube video or blog that you have, right? So what I'm gonna do for this is I usually like using the video embedder diagrams. If you want more access to the diagrams, join the program, link in the description, also in the comments. If you are looking to learn a little bit more about the Money Robot tool, more in depth, I go into more training about this. It's up to you if you want to do that or not. And then basically all I do is I put this for 7 days, or I'll actually put for 7 days, and then I will click run. And that's pretty much how you use the Money Robot tool. It's very simple, very easy to use. Oh, invalid characters right here. So it actually needed to just change something right there. There you go. And then you click it for 7 days. So basically that is it. Oh, invalid characters. Perfect. So that's it, guys. That's basically how you create a campaign. Now, I usually like to have these campaigns going anywhere from 5 to 7 days. And the reason why is because when you drag it on for a long time, it basically gives it more optimization to your videos or your blogs, and that way you're generating the most traffic to it. As you can see right here, on the back end, I have quite a few of my videos that were connected to campaigns before I deleted them. As you can see, some of the results are pretty decent for my videos, so they've been working very well. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and also check the link in the descriptions, also in the comments. And with that said, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.